Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some funky Loteria house ornaments using cardboard. And we're embellishing them with E-6000's Allure Dimensional Design Adhesive paint. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And remember, anytime you see a pattern on one of my videos, it's available on my blog, www.markmontano.com. Are you ready? Let's make some ornaments. For all of the patterns and printouts you'll need for this ornament, just check out my blog, www.markmontano.com. I'll also leave a link below in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.